This is a short video to show what to do in a situation where the worker doesn't have a phone, a broken phone, or doesn't want to download the SkillSignal application on their phone. It's really a process that gets into two steps. The first step is to create the profile of the worker directly in the dashboard. And the second step is going to be the process of how to clock them in and out on a daily basis when they get on site. So the first step is how to create the profile when the worker doesn't have the SkillSignal application on the phone. So you will need to open your dashboard, go to workers right here, and the next thing is that you will see the list of the workers that you have already on your site, and you will click add more. It's going to open this window. And the only thing that we need is first name, last name, a valid phone number, date of birth, and a zip code. So let's quickly do that. So I'm going to give a phone number right here. And this is going to be Ben. And let's do a date of birth. Email is not necessary, and the zip code can be the zip code of your site. And that's really it. Ideally, what you also want to be doing is creating the list of the certifications that this person has. And if you want to do that, you just click on add new, and then you can actually just follow the information. You will be able to take some pictures of the training card, the OSHA card, with your computer, with the webcam of your computer, by just clicking capture. If you don't want to do that and you just want to keep it very simple, then that's all it takes. Ben Brown is now in my system, so that's the end of step one. The second step in this process occurs when the worker who doesn't have the SkillSignal application on their phone gets to your site every day. To get into the second step, you will open your supervisory application, that's SkillSignal ID or the yellow application. And this is your environment. You select your project as usual, and you will go to the yellow tile, which is Scan Worker. And on this next window, you select phone number. This will give you the possibility to enter that phone number for the worker who doesn't have the SkillSignal application loaded on their phone or forgot the phone at home. You will hit submit, and as you can see now, the worker, Ben Brown, who doesn't have a phone, doesn't have the application downloaded on their phone, is now logged on to your site. The benefit of this is that you're keeping your daily logs clean. You keep a record of these workers onto your site as well. Thank you.